Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I am Professor Jared Carpin, PhD in accounting, and today our topic is special order. So, special order decisions. What a special order is? A customer requests a one-time order at a reduced sales price, often for a large quantity, and then management must consider: do we have excess capacity to fill the order? Will the reduced sales price be high enough to cover the incremental cost of filling the order? And will the special order affect regular size in the long run? So let's go to our Excel file and check it. And remember, all of our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. Let's consider here our company. We have variable costs and variable expenses, 28 variable costs, 7 variable expenses that we will combine and call them variable costs, and fixed manufacturing overhead $3 million, fixed operating expenses 1.5 million. And then we usually sell 170,000 units. However, our plant capacity is 200,000 units. And our absorption cost is 45.65. How do we find it? $3 million plus 28 times. Uh, Sorry. How do we find it? 28 plus 3 million divided by 170. Okay, so sorry. And we have the sales price, the market sales price 65, and we will be selling 170. So this is our income statement. Sales revenue, less variable costs, fixed costs, operating profit, $600,000. We have remaining 30,000 units to be sold. And then we get a special order for these 30,000 units. However, our customer, they want to pay only for 40. And okay, we can save, we will not label our brain on it, so we can save $4 in cost savings. However, our absorption cost is 45. We are not even considering the expenses, so probably we will reject it. And what's worse, we will have additional fixed expenses of $25,000 with legal fees and other expenses. How do we find it? We create a new income statement with only our special order. So our revenue, 30,000 times 40. So our revenue will be $1.2 million. Less variable manufacturing costs, or let's call it what you have, the variable costs, because it's not only manufacturing. 28 plus 7. We will save 4, so our net variable costing is 31. Total 31 times 30. Oh, 31 times 30,000. My value. Push. Whoops. 30 times 30 here. Now 930. So sorry. Contribution margin. Revenue less variable costing 270. And why are not considering the fixed manufacturing overhead and fixed expenses? Because they are fixed in the relevant range. So until 200,000 units, it doesn't matter how many units we will sell. our fixed cost will be the same. So on the special order, we have no additional or we have no fixed cost here, only the additional fixed expenses. So our increase in operating income will be 245. Or we can show it in a combined income statement. So sales revenue, 11 plus 1.2, 12 million in the quarter. Variable costs, 5.9 plus 930, 6.8. Fixed costs, 4.5 plus 25. And now operating profit, sales less both 845. That matches with 600 plus 245. So we have increasing operating profit. So we should accept this offer. So when we are analyzing special order, we analyze the contribution margin instead of the absorption cost. The most common mistake, never ever compare your special order price with your absorption cost. It will not work. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Whoop. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscriping@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel, like our video, and have a very nice day.